Many of you know I gently backed my Pleasureway air conditioner onto the partially open garage door. So gently that I didn't realize I had hit it until I was peeling the whole thing up off the roof of the van. So in spite of that fiasco, the old air conditioner was loud and not blowing very cold anymore. So I decided it was time to replace it with a more efficient, quieter unit. For now, I just wanted to get the old one down and the new one up on the roof. I'll finish the install in the near future. Another one of my fancy upgrades to the old Pleasureway is a new AC/DC refrigerator. If I can ever get the original one out. I have never seen such a tight fit and wonder how the heck they even got it installed. Now it's the Vagabond's turn. A brand new high-efficiency Dometic Brisk Air 2. We also had some solar panels delivered this week. I decided on the efficiency and quality of the Renogy panels. 420 watts will go up on the Vagabond van, and 200 watts will go up on my old Pleasureway. Another most excellent delivery was the IsoTemp water heater. This is a 120 volt appliance running at 750 watts, which means you will need to run your inverter to make hot water. Unless you take advantage of the closed loop heat exchanger included in this baby. I will be piping in my own closed loop glycol system, utilizing the heat from the engine while driving. I will be making a video soon explaining this latest brainstorm. A track saw is a great way to make accurate straight cuts along a long sheet of material. If you have a track saw, here's a little trick to keep you on track. At the beginning of each session, I take a tack cloth and wipe down the non-skid on the back side of the tracks. This keeps them clean and helps with grip, and therefore no slip. Tack cloth for track saw. I also spent a little time this week shaping templates for the rear doors. For me, this is a delicate exercise. They have to be just right. This kind of visual evaluation comes from decades as a studio photographer. Once I get them just right, I can replicate them as needed. This pair will have little storage cubbies cut into them. You'll see. Here's a little detail that sets Pleasureway apart from the other manufacturers. Look at this. First, you need to understand that all these rooftop air conditioners are manufactured for smooth, flat-top RVs. Class A's, Class C's, not vans. Vans are something new to this industry. Pleasureway utilizes a full-size custom plate, which allows the air conditioner to lay on a flat, smooth surface as if it was mounted on a big fancy Class A. This roof rack has been in Dave's mind for years now. It has been cultivated and nurtured into 6-inch aluminum C-channel running down both sides of the van with 1-inch square tube crossbars. Solar panels, a full-size tandem kayak, and storage are the objectives up here. This project has a few more steps, and I can assure you, you will be impressed when we say it's finished. I will be utilizing this design in future builds to be sure.